It's race day, baby. We got the truck loaded up, eridepro SS in the bed. I'm giving away this entire setup, my own truck with a brand new eridepro SS in the bed. If you're interested in winning this setup, go check out my giveaway down below. Right now, I've got a 1-hour drive to the racetrack. We're in the dirt. This is why you need a truck. What's up? Yo, bro. Yo, what the hell? What's up, guys? Oh, this thing looks sick. Thank you. Look at this track. All the e-bikes out. Yeah, what's up?
I watch you all the time.
Let's go. How long are you guys gonna be out here?
Long until the battery.
Until the battery dies, right?
You have the 72 volt, right?
Yeah, this is the Pro SS. What's up? What's up?
Pro SS looks hella good. How's it feel on the street?
I just learned last night that you can swap wheels on it. I'm gonna go take it with some supermotos because I've only done like trail riding on it so far. But I put these 18-inch 21 on the front.
Yeah, the 21's the best condition.
You think so?
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if.
Already washed out a few times.
Really? I was thinking with jumps, like I should go with a smaller front wheel.
No.
Yeah, 21's the best for off-road and shit.
Yeah.
Good, good. Got the whole setup today.
Glad you can make it out.
Dude, I'm so stoked. Is this someone's house?
Yeah, it's our buddy's mom's house.
What a dream backyard. I'll see you out there. I got this big 18-inch knobby tire from Lunicycle. Not just the tire, it's the whole wheel set. Also 21-inch up front. I brought the stand to feel extra pro today. Hey, can I ask where you snagged that wristband?
Right at the front gate.
At the front gate, okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, my dad, right there in the gray shirt, he's the one that built it.
Thanks for having us out. This is really a treat.
How you doing?
Great.
Hey, could you say hi to his little brother's at the track?
Can I get a picture?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Got it.
Let's go. That's a sick bike.
Thank you.
And it matches the truck, come on.
Yeah.
These are the KTM free rides. They look so good. So what, they put smaller wheels on them and
Smaller wheels, he has like a whole list. He's done so much, it's sick.
these look so cool. Look at that, Rivian with 2 Talarias in the back. Everybody's got these generators charging up. So sick. Yeah. That's us. This is the setup. Here we go.
Surronster.
Yeah, what's up?
Oh, man. You mind getting a picture?
Dude, of course. I gotta take this front fender off. Pit stop, pit stop. Motocross riding is so much more intensive on the bike than street riding. I gotta take this fender off. Let's see how this looks without the fender on.
How do the brakes feel?
Does it ride like a Surron?
Yeah, I feel pretty comfortable on
Are you
it.
building this out or are you just leaving that as is?
Well, I'm gonna build it out. Yeah. I haven't announced it yet, but this is the next giveaway. I'm giving away my truck with the Pro SS in the bed of it.
Actually?
Yeah.
First round, top 3 gonna make it to the next heat race. Second moto coming in.
Let's go. Whoa. Almost went out there. Oh no! A slow turn. My bad.
The last transfer spot.
Turned it into a pass. No, not today. No, no. Oh. Ah. Oh, I got so much arm pump right now. Oh. 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 Okay, I think I just went back into the top 3. Which is enough to qualify. Oh. This is the second round. Top 3 make it to the finals. Whoa! Oh, that was dirty! Dude, cut me off. That's how it works though. Oh shit! Oh, I can't believe I rolled away from that. Okay, I'm not last anymore. Oh, that hurt. Oh, my God. Ow. My tailbone. That f***ing hurt.
Oh, look, this is what happened to me. This is the last lap. This is for the squat. Watch this shit.
You did that to me. Isn't that dirty?
That's dirty.
Oh. 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 Dude, it's like they're trying to shoot the roost. Second point. So the bike's not looking too bad. The bar's bent a little bit.
My dad's calling out.
The rear brake, the front brake lost some pressure, but not all of it. I actually have no idea how that works. Rear brake is totally fine. The worst damage was to the button assembly. It still works. All the buttons still work, like even the regen slider, but it's all scraped up. That's not gonna stop me though. We're going back out. Here we go.
Turn your buddy's bike off. Go!
Wow! Right past Nate. He's a really good rider. I can't believe I'm second right now. See how long I can hold this. I can't believe I'm in second right now. Let's go! Dude, that was so sick. I'm good. That was just cool. Thank you. Oh, this is spiky. I had so much arm pump, I just wanted to call it a day, and I decided to go through the fence. Okay, that was my second fall, so I'm gonna take my luck for the day and call it. All loaded up. That was so fun. And it's just beautiful out here. Sunset, backyard racetrack. This is the life. There's no better way to spend a Saturday. You load your bike up in your truck, drive out, go race some homies, eat some shit. I'm giving away an eridepro SS in the back of my own Ford Ranger. If you'd like to win this setup and have a race day like I just did, go check out my giveaway down below. Everything on my website gets you entries. As always, thank you so much for watching. As I do.
Yeah.